Good morning everyone, hope you all safe with a good health. With you Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 7. Today we will start Unit 2 Lesson 1, Earth's Oceans and the Ocean Floor. What are the Earth's 5 main oceans? Almost 3/4 of Earth is covered by ocean. On a map, the continent appears as a huge island surrounded by a vast global oceans. So most of the Earth consists of water. Earth's global ocean is divided into 5 main oceans. Okay, in describing order of size, they are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Oceans. Okay, they are the 5 main oceans. The chemical characteristics of the ocean's water include salinity, or the amount and the type of dissolved salts in it. Chemical characteristics also include the amount and the type of gases in the sea water. Okay, the physical characteristics of the ocean water include temperature and density. Okay, the overall salinity of the sea water is about 3.5%. Dissolved salts come from the water flowing on or under Earth's surface and from underwater volcanoes and vents. As the salinity of the seawater has remained relatively steady, but it varies from place to another place depending on the entry of the fresh water. The salinity of the seawater has remained relatively steady, but it varies from place to place. The ocean has 3 temperature layers by depth. The top layer or surface zone is the warmest layer. In the next layer, the thermocline water temperature drops with increased depth faster than it does in other layer. The depth zone is the depth layer and the coldest one. So the surface water is the warmest near the equator and the coldest near the poles. So the surface water is warm near the equator and coldest near the poles. By season, surface water is warm in summer and cold in winter. So the surface water, its temperature change according to the season. Density is the measure of the mass of the substance divided by its volume. The density of the ocean water depends on the temperature and salinity. Salt water is denser than fresh water because salt water contains a larger amount of dissolved solids. So the salt water is denser than fresh water because salt water contains a large amount of dissolved solids. Temperature affects the density of the ocean water more than the salinity does. Cold water is denser than warm water, so the cold water is denser than the warm water. Okay, and salinity water or the salt water is denser than the fresh water because it contains more solid. Okay, let us watch these videos talk about the 5 main oceans. Hope you all understand. Next time, inshallah, we will talk about how is the ocean floor studies. Thank you.
Oceans of the Earth. An ocean is a large body of water that is saline, salt water. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. The Earth is divided into 5 different oceans. For many years, only 4 oceans were officially recognized. In 2000, the International Hydrographic Organization established the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is by far the world's largest ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the world's second largest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the world's third largest ocean. The Southern Ocean is the world's newest and fourth largest ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the world's smallest ocean.